Magzhan Zhumabaev Avenue is located in the southeastern part of Nur-Sultan city in Almaty district. The avenue runs from Ablayhan Avenue to Ahmed Baytursinov Street, crossing Beimbet Maylin, Baujan Momashula, Obagan, Balkantau, Aynakol, Rahimjan Koshkarbayev streets. Street length is 3,197 meters. Magzhan Zhumabaev is a member of Alash movement, poet, distinguished representative of Kazakh literature. In his works, the author promotes ideas of enlightenment, national liberation and democracy. Magzhan is an admirer of Abai's works and called him Golden Hakim. Magzhan Zhumabaev Avenue is home for Eurasian Humanitarian Institute, student houses of Lev Gumilov Eurasian National University, and restaurants. The avenue also hosts Reruyuk Park with a total area of 21 hectares. The park was opened in 1998 when Nur-Sultan Nazarbayev planted its first seedlings. It has more than 10,000 trees and shrubs of 11 species.